3.
आप देखिए विवेक के कल एक काफी लंबा भी था और चौड़ा भी था प्रोफाइल का व्हेन इट कम्स टू योगेश, तो आज हमने उसको जरा क्यूट कर दिया है. ग्लोबल मार्केट स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट, वेलकम टू टॉक ब्रेकफास्ट.
Thank you so much, and good morning to all the listeners. Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for inviting me again.
यस
After
एंड
yesterday.
इट्स आवर प्लेजर यार टू हैव यू. कल इतना मतलब लग रहा था कि समय जो है ना वो जल्दी जल्दी निकल रहा है एंड वी हैड सो मच टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू, सो इट्स आवर प्लेजर टू हैव यू इन द स्टूडियोज.
जी वैसे ही प्रणव निकल नहीं पाएंगे, आप चेयर के पीछे वो हमारी वीडियो बना रहे हैं इस वक्त जो
वो भी
इंस्टाग्राम पे
अटक गए
जाएगी.
1 घंटे, उन्हें पता तो चले क्या
आगे
होता है.
नहीं, यही फंसा के रखी, लेकिन हम फंस जाएंगे. हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन कौन देगा.
So talk markets, thanks to Century Financial. Yogesh हमारे साथ है and we're going to talk about impact investment. To start with, what is impact investment, Yogesh?
So, impact investing, it's a very old concept again, but and people see it always. So, just ask yourself a question: that do you want your investments, while being profitable, also to create a positive impact on society? We know it by different names. A lot of my clients sometimes say that we don't want to invest into liquor stocks or tobacco stocks or any stocks which is, related to not creating a positive impact. Like for example, if you buy a company which creates tobacco or liquor, it might be a very profitable one, but then doesn't contribute in a positive way to the society. So basically, impact investing is all about choosing those companies, choosing those portfolios, or taking consultation about those companies which basically are involved into creating a positive impact, probably raising a certain amount of awareness in the society, or raising the social status of the people, something on those likes. And
So
there are a lot of such sectors.
Impact का मतलब ही impact है करना.
Creating an impact,
कोई ना
yes.
कोई impact आप कर रहे हो with the money that you have. And
Absolutely.
oh, brilliant यार. And कितना sustainable है in terms of returns and everything. Yeah.
So this is a very good question, because a lot of people, this is a concept which people used to be worried about. कि आज if I worry about do I worry about the environment, or do I worry about my own pocket?
Yeah.
And you'll be surprised to know, so the whole global theme market, back in 2015 it could be worth $100 billion. Now it is $500 billion.
अच्छा, because सबको वो change करना है कुछ ना कुछ.
Yeah, people are more aware, right? So what we call this generation as the woke generation. They are aware. They are talking about climate change. They are talking about electricity vehicles. They are contributing into it. I mean, we talk about EV, we think about Tesla. I mean, there are a lot of more players entering. Like few years ago, you would only know Tesla as a EV vehicle company.
Yes, अब तो देखो मतलब SpaceX सब कुछ हो गया उनका तो.
Volvo is doing it.
Yeah.
BMW is doing it. Toyota is doing it. You'll be really surprised. Toyota is planning to come up with their EV sector by the end of 2021.
We were just discussing Volkswagen yesterday.
Yeah,
Right.
2030 तक उनका प्लान है. इनफैक्ट ब्रिटेन भी जो है, यूके भी जो है, दे आर पुटिंग सम रूल्स जहाँ पे जीरो कार्बन एमिशन और कार्बन न्यूट्रल होने वाला है
Absolutely.
by 2030. So ये सब मैंडेट जब गवर्नमेंट से आ रहा है, then your way of doing business only changes.
Absolutely. So a lot of time it happens now. This is something which have not only emerged as a trending thing, but if you see the portfolios, if you see those specific companies and ETFs and see their performance, you actually reach to a point where you can actually create an impact on the society, invest into those things, and get suitable returns. If you
Acha.
see a renewable energy basket, for example, from November, I'll give you a nominal value, before US elections, if a unit of that particular basket was around 9,000, before 2020 ended, in 4 or 5 months from 9,000 and went to 14.
अच्छा.
Now that is something which is, I mean, maybe due to the government, but the point is, yeah, if you're looking at government spending so much of money into renewables, into exploring renewable sources of energy, or climate change for that matter, definitely people are going to be attracted towards it, and they understand that now these things are also making money. It's not just about whether should I put money into environment. It may not be that profitable,
Correct.
but
correct.
very impactful. I don't think you really have to choose. After all, it's just your personal choice whether you want to go towards it or not.
And when you have activists like Greta Thunberg and ये सारे
Yeah.
जो ज़्यादा climate change पे जो है वो attack कर रहे हैं, and they don't leave anyone. वो तो सबको पकड़ के
It's talked
then
about,
you know कि leaders जो है they have to make an impact, and then you know कि यार ये investment जो है will not go waste, because everybody is thinking about it, especially when the leaders. So which stocks should you look out for?
Now that's the thing about thematic investing.
Mm-hmm.
Thematic investing actually involves the process of, and I'm trying to make it very simpler for the listeners out here.
Yeah.
That you identify these mega trends.
Uh-huh.
Like for example, if 15 years ago I would know that I would make a lot of money building an app, मैंने computer ले लिया होता. I would have
Correct.
started coding, right?
Yes.
I think everybody has that regret. Like I was in my office and I was doing this team exercise and I asked,
Okay, what's your biggest regret?
Yeah, like 20 of my people, what's your biggest regret? Somebody said music, dancing. A majority of them said we didn't take computers. I mean, that's all it's all about. Today you build an app and
Very
next thing
true.
you know is whether it is crypto or anything. Technology has completely, swept every
you
sector.
you would have started mining by now,
Exactly.
and you
So-
would have got these
Yeah.
currencies by
I mean,
now.
there's such a great overwhelming demand. Now, that's where we understand that thematic investing is all about identifying such kind of mega trends and then invest into it. So possibly, if things go well, you might end up making a decent return on those futuristic investments. Now, these themes can be in the form of. So if you believe in technology, if you're using technology, then you should be aware that cybersecurity is a real thing. Cyber attacks are a real thing.
Yes, कल ही मुझे ईमेल आया कि you've been trying to log into Instagram. Sorry, आप log in नहीं कर पा रहे. आप यहाँ पे क्लिक कीजिए and then you'll be and proper आया है. The only way I could find out is because subdomains थे. mail.instagram.security.com. तो इतने subdomains जब होते हैं ना, then I started realizing कि यार ये तो कुछ गलत है.
phishing,
Exactly.
ये तो गलत हो रहा है. So अगर Instagram से होता तो instagram.com होता है या security.com होता है at Instagram or something. इतने subdomains हो रहे. So
So imagine this on an individual level, right? How much it troubles you.
yeah,
Imagine this on a macro level.
correct.
Like imagine
I realized कि McDonald's के साथ ये हुआ था and they had to shut down their entire system और बड़े-बड़े companies के साथ हुआ ये.
and you know what happens after that. So imagine a devastation which is caused by hurricanes or storms, right? Such kind of lockdowns can happen due to cyber attacks. It happened with one of the US companies, Colonial Pipelines,
Yes, yeah.
few weeks ago,
Yeah,
and they had to disrupt. It actually disrupted the oil supply, and which increased oil prices 3 to 4% during that time. Now that's the major global impact which cyber attacks can do, and companies pay $4 to $12 million for these things.
और crypto से they had to pay ऐसा सब था मैंने सुना.
Yeah, so crypto has been one of those. Now, this is one of those pros and against versus crypto that such organizations where the accounts are hacked, these hackers are not paid in fiat currencies; they are paid in cryptos.
Yeah, because exchange rate पता नहीं ना क्या होगा उनकी currency. But it is more safer that way to hackers के लिए.
Because cryptos are anonymous, right?
Yes.
You cannot track. It's the whole point of crypto. The whole concept of crypto is they're anonymous. If you send or receive cryptocurrencies today, if I send Vivek $1,000 in the form of bitcoins, nobody gets to know about this. Only you and me.
Correct.
So the whole point of anonymity is so. Now a lot of US officials, they are trying to trace these cryptos to understand that who's doing these ransomware, because these are very costly. And that's the point which is to note, because more money and more technology develops, more the threat towards that develops, and that's where the cybersecurity stocks comes in. You look into companies like Palo Alto, you look into the companies like CrowdStrike, and these kind of companies, they're not just growing. I mean, these are just a few companies which have been very old, and a lot of such companies, they outsource this technology, but then a lot of companies, they make their own technology. And there are different kind of cyber threats. Identity theft hai, ransomwares hai, malwares hai.
Correct.
Like for us, the only threat is virus aa gaya system.
SSL certified होना जरूरी
But there
है,
are a lot
yeah.
of things. I mean, from an organizational point of view, they have to take a lot of steps. And these companies are actually helping major corporates and organizations to deal with it. So that is basically, in June, because of such ransomware attacks, we saw the cybersecurity funds going up by 18%.
Amazing. So
In 1 month.
McAfee और ये सारे जो offer
Yeah.
करते हैं.
A lot of
and,
these, yeah.
India maybe I think forgot the name. I mean Wipro and all these guys do have their.
So there will be a lot of such companies providing cybersecurity solutions, and the
so
ones which
investing there is important.
I mean, that is one part.
Okay.
So let me tell you this way: a traditional investor would put money into growth stocks like Apple, Tesla, Facebook, जो अभी grow कर रहे हैं. जो आपको डिविडेंड नहीं देते. I mean, exception of Apple gives you the dividend, but then most of the tech stocks, they don't give you dividends because whatever profits they make, they try to reinvest into research and development की टेक्नोलॉजी और बढ़े.
बराबर.
Because Apple ने अगर iPhone 12 के बाद 13 नहीं निकाला तो
खत्म ना. Yeah.
So that's the thing. And what the other sector is the value stocks. Now the value stocks are the ones which give you dividend, which are more defensive sector. There is not much excitement because volatility is not that much like tech. So you need a balanced portfolio. You need growth, you need value. Growth so that the capital can grow.
Correct.
Value so that you can get a fixed dividend income. And it kind of prevents you from some too much adventure in your portfolio. And then third segment is core, where you mix both of them. Try to find those companies which are a bit of a mixture. Now, the growth part has been divided into thematic and growth. So basically what we are trying to tell you is divide your exposure in growth because growth anyways is more volatile. So why don't you curb that volatility by involving a bit of themes into it which are more futuristic. Maybe today they are not going high or down or they are just emerging, but think about water for example. आप पानी पिए बगैर रह नहीं सकते.
Yeah, necessity hai.
It is there. And there is a lot of scarcity of water. And when I say scarcity of water, I mean there are a lot of nations who do not get pure, clean drinking water.
Correct.
And this is going to be something which is, and water has been talked about as a tradable commodity in terms of futures. Now the whole point is companies which are related to water distribution, water purification. All those companies,
Kentaro.
I mean, you can always
Kentaro.
yeah.
हेमा मालिनी
that.
Well, जब वापस आएंगे तो पूछेंगे योगेश से 3 top cyber security stocks to buy for the long haul. It's a sports update for you on Talk Breakfast. Welcome back after the break, continuing with Talk Breakfast. और इस वक्त आपके लिए चलता है हर रोज संडे टू थर्सडे टॉक मार्केट्स पावर्ड बाय सेंचुरी फाइनेंशियल्स. और हमारे साथ योगेश भी काफ़ी देर से जुड़ चुके हैं. अच्छी खबरें लेकर आए हैं. अच्छे सूट्स भी पहनकर आ रहे हैं. मुझे कभी कभार ये लगता है कि इन्होंने जल्दी ही शादी करनी है. ये उसकी रिहर्सल चल रही है. एंड ये भी लगता था कि सिर्फ अनजान ही है जो सूट्स पहन सकते हैं यहाँ पर, लेकिन आपने तो उनका भी रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया.
Very nice. Yaar, who decides what you wear every day?
Yeah. I only have to do that.
As of now, because November के बाद, yeah.
इतना सैड होकर आप क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
But this is a way, I think, finance representatives जो होते हैं, I think they have to be presentable that way. Yeah?
So why I wear suits? Because some superheroes can't wear capes.
Oh,
dialogue.
ये अभी ज़्यादा.
No, it's very nice.
The filmy side.
मैं
Yes,
याद
of
करके आया
course.
था. Thank you.
याद करके.
Excellent. आप जो याद करते हैं वो कभी नहीं भूलते और सही टाइम पे लोगों को भी याद करा देते हैं. लेकिन हम आपको याद कराएंगे कि ब्रेक से पहले हम बात कर रहे थे 3 top cyber security stocks to buy for the long haul before we head towards something even more interesting. Driverless cars, EVs, future mobility, 5G. But right now, top 3.
So there are a lot of companies which are related to cybersecurity. Like if you took top 3 names, there is Palo Alto Networks, which is one of the oldest.
Okay.
There is Zscaler, there is IBM, there is Palantir Technology, and all of these companies, they are either developing their own system and they have specialization in each of these. So some of them are specialized with ransomware, some of them are specialized with corporate security, and they are developing their own channels. But the best way to do investments in these themes is because one thing which we pointed out that these are emerging areas, right? So maybe some of these companies may not grow as we expect.
Okay.
And as we talk about the risk, the most important part about any investment is calculating risk first. So what we have to be very careful about is you see all these individual stocks, but try to invest into a ETF.
Okay.
To make it simpler for the listeners, अगर आपको म्यूचुअल फंड पता है, so ETF is just a similar concept, but you can buy and sell it on your trading platforms. You can buy and sell it live on exchange. You don't need a fund manager to it, and it is less expensive than the mutual fund.
Okay.
So, but the concept is same. It's an underlying basket with a bunch of securities into it, bunch of shares into it, and fund goes as per the performance of the companies.
Okay.
But it's a good way. So whether you talk about space exploration, for example, so many people are talking about space exploration.
Space tourism.
Space tourism for that matter. So SpaceX and the Blue Origin,
Yeah.
both the companies,
And
Jeff
Virgin
Bezos and Elon
Galactic.
Musk, and Virgin. So SpaceX and Blue Origin are not listed companies yet. Virgin Galactic is.
Yes.
But what we have to understand is this area is a lot talked about. Again, a lot of analysis is towards that it has been on a stage where it is growing right now. I mean, Richard Branson did the whole flight, orbital flight and everything, but
एक टीजर दे दिया हम सबको.
but their stock dropped 12%
Yes.
on the same day.
And they lost some $1.2 billion or something.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that was the reason was that they were selling around 500 million worth of shares.
Because they needed the money to fund.
So the whole point is that it's again an emerging area. So if you start picking, अच्छा SpaceX में डाल देते हैं या Blue Origin में डाल देते हैं या Virgin में डाल देते हैं, you're still exposing yourself to that unknown risk. Now, as I said, uncertainty brings opportunity. So what you do is you start investing into these things if you really like it through ETFs.
Okay.
Because a fund will give you an exposure where there will be like 10 of those companies and your risk is spread into
All
those.
10 of them.
Exactly. So the best way, even if I'm talking about water distribution, don't just take one company like American Water Works or anything. Look for water ETFs, and there are a lot of them.
Okay.
If you look into Wisdom Tree or Power Shares, or there are a lot of fund managers who actually have created ETFs, and these are available on trading platforms.
Okay.
For long-term investments.
Okay.
You can just buy and hold on to it and just keep it.
Oh. When we say long term, how long? Minimum?
So it depends on how volatile the market is. But from an investments point of view, and when looking at these themes, think at least about the next 4 to 5 years.
4 to 5. I thought 3 years should be, but yeah, 4 to 5 years.
So just look at it, right? A lot of people talk about that electric vehicles are going to be, the demand is going to get tripled by 2023 or 2025.
इतने जल्दी?
They say.
इतने जल्दी?
Of course.
Around the world.
Wow.
Around the world. So now a lot of, look at NIO, which is a company which is into electric vehicles. The best example is Tesla is not the only company doing EVs anymore.
Exactly. Yeah,
There's
you
a
have
lot of-
BMW also coming in.
Volvo is there. There are a lot of companies
Yes.
entering into the space.
Yes.
And when that happens, competition increases. When competition increases, good for the investors. But then only the efficient companies will survive. Those who are producing on time, they are sending production on time, whose batteries are less inflammable.
Yes.
Toyota is entering into such space. They are aiming to make a battery which is 50% less inflammable than Tesla's. Now that is something which is really revolutionary, right? One, it is sustainable. Two, people are inclining towards it. And not to forget, yesterday, the US President Joe Biden, he announced to discuss a $3.5 trillion worth of stimulus. Again, this kind of funding, when we talk about, this will be put into climate change and renewables.
Okay.
So think about those spaces in the next, it's going to be at
Huge.
least next 4 years is going to be Joe Biden, right?
Correct.
And EV's largest is US. I mean, you barely see in India or anywhere else these hybrid cars.
बराबर.
So you start looking into this kind of spaces and look for 3-4 years. Basically, there is so much of volatility into the market. Sometimes you just need to park your funds in futuristic themes. Let it be less exciting. It will be more exciting after next 4-5 years. But again, diversification. Entire portfolio into crypto-based assets. I mean, it is not something which you want for your portfolio. Not too much volatility, which is a prime thing right now.
But again, these future mobilities, ये भी जो है, ये उतना volatile नहीं होगा according to you compared to crypto. I mean, we'll talk about it. I think we have
traffic
traffic
update.
right now.
And we'll catch you on the other sides on the Radio Talk Breakfast. और अगर सवाल आपने कुछ पूछना है, कुछ confusion है, more clarity, more in-depth knowledge, 0586861003 number to WhatsApp and number to call 0458170880.
As her father's lawyers have
On Talk 100.3.
Welcome back after the break. So much that we are talking off here and so much we are looking forward to tell you and discuss with you. कुछ messages भी आए हैं जल्दी से, वो भी विवेक देख लेते हैं. वासिम पूछ रहे हैं कि वो कौन सी ऐप यूज़ करें अगर मोबाइल ट्रेडिंग की जहां बात आती है, मोबाइल पे अपनी कौन सी ऐप यूज़ करें, एंड ऑल्सो वो सीखना चाहते हैं ऑनलाइन ट्रेडिंग और उसके लिए व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट वे.
What's the best way, Yogesh?
So, Wasim, if you want to trade or you want to do investments, first thing you can go to Century's website, century.ae, and there are a number of apps and platform listed. There is a lot of, so depending on your understanding and investment requirement, there are apps like Trade Room and etc. And you can look into those if you want to speculate or invest. That will be available on the website.
बहुत अच्छा है यार, century.ae पे जाइए और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे apps अवेलेबल है जहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन ट्रेडिंग. आपको सीखनी है उसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन भी और कैसे करते हैं. We got a message from Rajat, कहते हैं कि यार brilliant topics and good conversations.
Thank
ये
you.
compliment दे रहे हो.
Rajat, thank you so
Thank you.
much.
We also got a message from Kinjal, if I'm not wrong. उन्होंने भी एक सवाल पूछा है.
जिग्ना ने
जिग्ना, हाँ.
अच्छा, वो पूछ रही हैं where can I learn more about other investments strategies and what is your company's USP? Century Financial की USP क्या है?
So to learn more about strategies, you have to come to the office.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, jokes apart, there are a lot of strategies which makes a lot of sense once we are talking one-on-one and discussing about. So there are a lot of pair trades. There are a lot of strategies like BTSTs and 80-20, and this is something which is different from the conventional forms of investments. What we do, buy and hold, right? So that is just one part of the investment, but there is so much to explore because strategies are based on numbers and quant, back testing of exhaustive data, and which is done by our team, in a great way. As far as sorry, the next question was the other part.
Investments के बारे में USP, company USP.
Yes.
Yeah.
So to sum up, consultation is the most important part. It's not about the trading platforms. I mean, every platform I'm sure out there has the best of the features. Like it's
कि हमारे पास ये है.
Yeah, like it's
जैसे
one of
हमारे
those
कोई
things.
branches नहीं है.
Like in India, every mall is Asia's largest mall, right?
Every mall is Asia's largest mall.
Yeah. Like every car is the best car of the year. That's one of those things. But
यहाँ पे भी UAE में भी ना हर radio station is
It's
number one
always-
यहाँ पे. Yeah. They
So-
say that. Yeah.
no,
नहीं,
but
लेकिन हमारा हमारा मैं तो यही कहती हूँ कि हम अभी इतने नए आए हैं कि हमारे जैसा भी कोई नहीं है तो वो हमें नेचुरली नंबर 1 ही बना देते हैं जब
हाँ,
आपकी
वो
तरह कोई भी
category
नहीं
नहीं है ना कोई.
I'm all about living life at the moment. So at this point, yeah, you are number one
Yay!
because I have to leave this.
You have no option.
But we were mentioning about something very interesting. जो ideas आपके पास है strategies की अगर बात करें that I think Vijay Valecha के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे. Something very interesting.
Yes, I'll come on to that. Given when we are talking about the USPs bit, so yes, the consultation part is something which is really important because, okay, you can buy, sell, you can use the platform, but you need guidance, probably a second opinion, right? Like you have taken your decision that okay, I'm going to buy gold or I'm going to buy these stocks, but sometimes you would like to take an opinion. Okay, what do you think about it? How it is going? Is there any special news event which I have to look into? Federal Reserve meeting, or what do you think about inflation? What do you think about interest rates? So basically, a support and opinion, that's the best thing provided by a lot of strategies which are back tested day in day out, and we run 10 years of combinations and try to find out the best possible combination to suggest you a pair trade or something which is a bit technical. So if you meet me one-on-one in the office, I'll be able to explain you better.
Well, right now I think we'll meet Vivek for business update और उसके बाद फिर से continue करेंगे. Of course, your questions if any, अगर आप जल्दी जवाब चाहते हैं तो कॉल कीजिए 0458170880, क्योंकि ज़ाहिर है आप कॉल करेंगे तो we'll entertain, but जब WhatsApp की बात आती है वो फिर हम अपने टाइम से कर लेते हैं जब भी नजर पड़े. 0586861003 is the number to WhatsApp us.
Talk 100.3 Business.
हर घंटे आपको बिजनेस न्यूज देते हैं. स्टार्टिंग विद दिस आवर, स्टार्टिंग ने एंडिंग एक्चुअली विद दिस आवर. सऊदी अरेबिया, यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स कॉम्प्रोमाइज पे पहुंचे हैं ओवर द ओपेक प्लस ऑयल सप्लाई डील, गिविंग यूएई अ हायर प्रोडक्शन बेसलाइन. So UAE ka baseline will be 3.65 million barrels per day after the current pact, which expires in April 2022. MSC Cruises, in partnership with Dubai's Department of Tourism and Commerce Marketing, Dubai Tourism, DP World and Emirates Airline ने announce किया है that the naming ceremony for the line's newest flagship, MSC Virtuosa, will take place in Dubai on 27th November at Port Rashid. ये इवेंट रिफ्लेक्ट करता है the growing importance of Dubai as a must-visit destination for global travelers and cruising's key contribution to the city's tourism industry. Your occasion will also be a part of the celebrations surrounding the Golden Jubilee of UAE and will be staged as Dubai welcomes the world to Expo 2020. So ये cruise निकलेगी from Dubai on 28th November as the first of a series 7-night cruises with visits to the ports of Abu Dhabi, Sir Baniyas, Dammam in Saudi Arabia and Doha. Now moving to Yogesh, सुनते रहिए Talk Breakfast on Talk 100.3.
The UAE's conversation starts here. Talk Breakfast with Vivek Sunil and Sobia Khan on Talk 100.3.
थैंक यू विवेक फॉर द बिजनेस अपडेट. एंड अब बिजनेस अपडेट अगले हफ्ते ही आप सुन सकते हैं. आज थर्सडे है, लवली थर्सडे. वी गॉट योगेश विद अस और द कन्वर्सेशन इज ऑन.
यस, और थर्सडे तो आज आ गया है, फिर आगे लंबी छुट्टी आ रही है. योगेश, व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग? Investing your time.
Investing my time. So I'm going to go completely unconventional.
Okay.
I have a stack of 30 books on my shelf.
Okay.
And I'm going to read little bit of each one of those books.
Wow.
Against the popular concept
Little
of
bit of each book.
each of those books.
Hey, what is this?
What is this method?
This is my method of getting out of monotony and creating something really which is amazing. And trust me, you try to do that against the conventional way of reading one book and finishing it and
But
completely
same
understanding
genre or alag-alag?
No, it
Fiction
could
ho
be-
gaya kabhi.
it. Yeah, like you can read Think Like a Rocket Scientist plus Yoga on Dalal Street.
हाँ.
Something like that kind of a combination, so you're connected.
लोग वैसे प्यार में ऐसे करते हैं एक ही वक्त में बहुत सारा प्यार इधर उधर लेकिन ये सेफ जोन में है
या अमेजिंग यार इनफैक्ट मैं वो सोच रहा था कि अगर मैं सेपियंस ये बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ बाय
Yeah.
युval नोआ हरारी
Yeah.
एंड देन इफ आई एम रीडिंग लेट्स से
Harry
लाइफ
Potter.
फॉर योगी you know या हैरी पॉटर और अ कॉमिक बुक I mean imagine the variety that I'll be getting here.
See, it's an
Tell
unknown
us your
territory.
top 5
So, the top 5 books which I'm currently reading right now, Why Nations Fail, Think Like a Rocket Scientist,
Okay.
Sapiens, we started with.
मजेदार बुक है ना Sapiens?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you continue to do it. It's
Wow.
very difficult to get out of it, but then you realize.
योगेश आप उधार में बिलीव करते हैं उधार देते हैं पैसों का नहीं
Books का.
Of course.
Yay!
But exchange.
Yeah. And credit मैं ले सकता हूँ, मैं दे नहीं सकता.
इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़ें क्विकली टचिंग विद द करेंसीज आपको बता दें दिस मॉर्निंग इंडियन रुपी 20.19 पाकिस्तानी रुपी 42.73 बांग्लादेशी टका 22.32 श्रीलंकन रुपी 55.09 नेपालीज रुपी 30.91 इजिप्शियन पाउंड 4.22 एंड फिलिपीन पेसो इज 13.44 अगेंस्ट वन दिरहम
We were talking about ये चीज जो आप USP की बात कर रहे थे. I must say that speaking to you and Vijay Valecha, and we haven't met the other team at Century Financial, but we must say the clarity that you guys bring in whenever you speak to us or to your clients is amazing. This is one of the USPs I think you should highlight.
I think that's the important message anything which goes through us to the clients, the most important message is that please make sure you're informed about your investments and you have developed a risk threshold for yourself. Because a lot of clients they think कि stock market में पैसा डाला मतलब double होगा. लोग series देख लेते हैं हर्षद मेहता scam देते हैं कि बस हम भी बनेंगे हर्षद मेहता. That's not how it works. The actual fact truth is that whenever you put money in stock markets or commodities or cryptos, currencies, indices, even in a bank, there is always a risk. You embrace it and you take steps to make sure that the risk threshold is there. Because markets are very volatile. Talk to your risk experts, talk to your consultants and make sure that you have done everything you could when the market falls or when your investments come down. Because every time market crashes, a lot of buyers enter. So you want to be that sensible, you want to be that person who takes advantage of the opportunity and does not panic. So if you're taking leverage, you have to make sure that you're not over leveraged. Most important, accountability. You have earned this money with all this hard work.
True.
Don't think that somebody else is going to manage better.
आपका पैसा है आपको मैनेज करना है.
You will feel the pain of losing it. So yes, everybody can give you opinion, consultations, which is everybody's job. But the steerer of the ship is you. You have to decide what's best for you, and there are a lot of support and opinions available. So take that charge.
Question here, जो पूछ रही हैं दुबई से भूमि जोशी, and she says, what is your favorite instrument to trade and why? And also, I follow his investment advices and they are helpful. So this is feedback from one of your client, it seems.
हाँ, is it? I think YouTube video शायद भूमि देखती है काफी.
See, the favorite instrument, first of all, thank you. It's more of a consultation, never the advice. But favorite instrument depends on where we are. I mean, I have invested myself in a bit into cryptos also, probably a bit into long-term stocks, do a bit of speculation as well. So it really depends. But if I were to pick one, I think index for day on day.
Okay.
For day trading and speculation, index is something which you can really look at, and index which are of lower values. S&P 500, something which is tracking 500 companies.
Around the
risk
world.
is, US mostly.
US, okay.
US 500 companies, and the risk is spread. So rather than putting money into an index with like 30 companies or 40 companies, you look into those indices which are lower value. So in case if there is major fluctuation, a lower value index would move respective to its nominal value, right? So if Dow Jones is 35,000, 10% decline is 3,500 points. S&P 10% decline is 400 points. So that kind of manages, you have to manage your quantity well. So I think index is good for day trade and day speculation, but for long term, always stocks. I mean, companies are, I'm using their products, so why wouldn't I invest into it? For
और
sure.
ये स्कैम में डायलॉग भी है ना जो हर्षद मेहता कहते हैं कि यार लॉन्ग टर्म ही करो, जब टिप्स मांगते हैं तो डालो फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म.
Yeah.
हमेशा उनके डायलॉग्स में होते हैं. और कल आपने एक स्टोरी डाला था, उसमें मैंने हर्षद मेहता का म्यूजिक भी डाला था उसमें.
फिर मैंने वो वापस मेंशन नहीं किया, आपने देखा होगा. No, but yeah, I think
Talk Breakfast on Talk 100.3 and with this heading towards our traffic update और ये आपको लेकर जाएगी हमारी न्यूज़ ब्रेक की तरफ. ये आपके लिए टॉक स्पोर्ट्स ब्रेक होगा. सुनते रहिए टॉक ब्रेकफास्ट. जल्दी से आपको नंबर भी याद दिला दें अगर आपके जहन में कोई सवाल उठ रहा है. 0586861003. ऑल्सो यू कैन कॉल अस इफ यू लाइक टू 04-581-7080. Welcome back after the break. Only 13 minutes left,
उसके
gentlemen.
बाद 2 दिन की छुट्टी. ये I'm going to read some
और
more.
फिर आएंगे और फिर छुट्टी की बात करेंगे.
हाँ, एक दिन आएंगे, फिर 6 दिन की छुट्टी. मजा आएगा यार. और फ्री पार्किंग भी है, तो कहीं पे भी पार्क करके मैं निकल जाऊंगा.
पार्क करके कहाँ निकलेंगे आप?
मल्टी लेवल पे नहीं करूंगा पार्किंग, क्योंकि वहाँ पे चार्ज है.
जी, वहाँ पे चार्जेस हैं. और इस
ये
वक्त
सिर्फ दुबई में है, if I'm not wrong, फ्री पार्किंग. अभी तक अनाउंस नहीं किया बाकी एमिरेट्स
जी
ने.
सिर्फ हमने दुबई की ही न्यूज़ दी थी, नॉट एनी अदर एमिरेट. और इस वक्त योगेश को फिर से तंग करते हैं और पूछते हैं उनसे रिमोट मेडिकल कंसल्टेशन, समथिंग वेरी
Yes.
इंटरेस्टिंग जो उन्होंने ही हमारे साथ शेयर किया.
so. The pandemic opened a lot of doors to a lot of things, a lot of opportunities. Remote lifestyle was one of those things. Remote lifestyle includes actually everything. If you're communicating on Zoom right now, it's remote lifestyle. If you're not going to the office, sitting at home watching Netflix, remote lifestyle. You're not going to
वो
cinema
डबल
halls.
रिमोट क्योंकि हाथ में भी एक रिमोट.
Yeah. So basically, you are completely away, but you get to access a lot of services. That's basically a lifestyle which people are getting prone to. Even now also, after the lockdown is over, a lot of my clients, they do prefer to meet on Microsoft Teams or Zoom or any of these interactive platforms. One of those areas developed during the medical consultation, because when there was pandemic, not all the doctors or hospitals, you were just not allowed to walk
Allowed
in
ही
and
नहीं
get it
थे.
checked.
And there was a risk as well यार, अगर मैं गया तो मुझे हो जाएगा वायरस.
Absolutely, and which is understandable. I mean, now when that happened, again, opportunity. So uncertainty gives rise to opportunity. There were a lot of companies who capitalized on it
Okay.
in good way. I mean, not just from a business point of view, but
Technology wise.
yeah, I mean, they open doors to situations where you can actually remotely do can consult a doctor through a video conferencing, and you can download this app. For example, Teladoc was one company which made a lot of revenue generated during pandemics, because people use those apps. You can do on-demand medical consultation.
Okay.
They can send medical aid remotely when you talk to them, chat with their consultant, and it's 24/7.
Beautiful यार, क्या
It's
है
called
method यार.
Tell a Doc.
Teladoc. yes.
Teladoc,
So
yeah.
this is again one of the instruments in the portfolios you can always look into. Again, guys, as I'm saying, be more open to investments into ETFs when it comes to emerging or theme-based sectors. I'm just taking individual names. None of these recommendations should be put without consulting your risk experts or financial consultants. I mean, these are
Sure.
few companies which you can always look into, but
ये examples you're giving so that थोड़ी better understanding हो.
Absolutely.
ऐसा नहीं कि ये है recommended
Yeah. I mean, you read a lot about it. You consult with your risk experts. Look at your finances, whether you are able to invest in these things or not. But the best way to do all this is, do it through online platforms. Do it through ETFs, because these funds you have all control. You can buy and sell yourself, and these funds give you the right exposure into different companies. Spread your risk, and that is one way. And there are a lot of ARK Innovation ETFs are there. There are areas now. Internet, for example. We cannot live without internet.
Correct.
In any part of the world.
Yes.
Imagine how much traffic internet would have. Imagine a company which is working on reducing that traffic.
Okay.
those are called next generation internet ETFs.
Wow. Next generation
They
internet
exist.
ETFs.
They exist. There are
Okay.
companies which are working solely towards reducing internet traffic.
Okay.
And then comes the 5G. So there is a 5G theme. 5G is expected to even enhance everything.
Yeah, 100 times faster than 4G. Yeah.
From medical consultation to video conferencing to everything, right?
Quick, very quick.
Yeah. So these are the themes. Like when we talked about EV. So what happens is with every theme comes sub-themes, like subsections.
Barabar.
If I talk about EV, I
Then
talk about
batteries come into
batteries
one.
come in.
Yeah.
Now when batteries come in,
Huh.
batteries come from lithium. So there are lithium miners. That's one.
Yeah.
Batteries, when are made, packaged. So there are battery packaging companies. Then when you have an electric vehicle, those will be charged at battery power stations. So there are companies which are making those stations.
Those, yeah.
Then when those batteries go out of use, they get recycled. So there are companies which are recycling those batteries. With one theme, you get 4 subsections, and those are all individual companies with a lot of those competition within those areas.
And all of this comes under the green blanket, that sustainable blanket.
Exactly.
Wow.
So when you talk about future mobility, for example, so this is EV, which is battery. And within future mobility, with battery, there are ride-sharing apps. Like, for example,
yes, yeah.
talk about automation of the highways, talk about parking sensors, for example. Everything comes into future mobility. So all these things, these are the themes. I mean, now the thing is, for you the challenge is कि if this is battery and I just highlighted battery packaging, battery recycling,
तो आप
and
बैटरी में डालोगे, ऐसा नहीं है. हाँ.
so you start putting money into different things. But all those sections have so many companies into it.
Yes.
आज एक कंपनी तो है नहीं जो बैटरी चार्जिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
Correct.
बनाती है.
10 कंपनीज है, तो आप वो 10 में डालो.
Now the question is how you select those 10 companies.
Okay. That's a good question. Toss
That's
करके.
where we are needed.
Toss चाहिए.
Yeah.
Heads है तो ये tail है.
Yogesh, Vijay, Century Financial चाहिए.
That's where we come into picture. So the question that why anybody would need a consultation or an opinion, हम खुद भी तो कर सकते हैं. आप कर सकते हो. You are independent, but you're just not alone. That's the whole point of Century Financial being there. So there are such themes which you would. So we talked about space exploration. We talked about cybersecurity. We talked about driverless cars. We talked about remote medical consultation, remote lifestyle.
Yeah.
Talk about electric vehicles. Talk about water ETFs. Talk about those companies which are working very closely to increase the productivity of the field, so the food production.
वो बराबर हो. Yeah.
Because there are a lot of countries which don't have enough food to eat.
Yes, output सही
Yeah.
आना चाहिए, तो तब जाके, yeah, I mean, you can
Exactly.
export it as well and
There are
self-sustain.
digital payments, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, like a lot of.
PayMob यहाँ पे, I mean,
Yeah.
you know, the startup, yeah, I mean, they're doing wonders.
There is-
Funding
there
क्या
is-
मिला है उन्हें?
Exactly. So there are a lot of like even digital payments, mobile payments. If you see, even in cryptos, something which is a very controversial subject to talk about, but even in cryptos now.
Why controversial?
So the regulations and laws are
तो
still not
नहीं
clear.
है.
Yeah,
अच्छा.
it's very
Decentralized है
simple.
ना.
In fact,
इसीलिए.
किसी ने सवाल भी पूछा है कि any instruments on the theme of cryptos or blockchain, I don't want to invest in coins.
So that's a very very good question also, and that's a very basic question people would ask कि मुझे क्रिप्टो कॉइन में नहीं डालना. भाई नहीं है मेरा ट्रस्ट क्रिप्टो में, कॉइन में, so what would I do?
Okay.
I still want to be exposed towards the technology behind it.
Uh-huh.
So it's one of those things that you just don't invest into Cisco because internet exists, right? So just because blockchain is the technology behind a crypto doesn't mean that you have to buy that crypto. You can still invest into those companies which are using blockchain technology.
जैसे इंडिया में I think one technology company who's dealing in blockchain, वो they went up really high.
Exactly. So any company which is using blockchain, so blockchain promotes transparency. Cryptos, they kind of promote anonymity. So there is certain difference. So I can understand that why somebody would not want to invest in cryptos, but still be interested in blockchain.
The technology.
Yeah. So, you know, there are companies like Louis Vuitton using blockchain just to make sure that to avoid counterfeit of the products.
Correct. Yeah. Fake products ना हो,
Yeah.
या owners fake ना निकले.
Exactly.
Yes.
Walmart combining with Amazon, they are using blockchain to ensure the safety of the food supplies and the food devices.
Amazing.
So there are a lot of companies which are already using. Oracle is developing its own blockchain. So
banks
these,
here as well, yeah.
of course. So
Yeah.
blockchain is something which can be very positive for, you know, in the futuristic way. So look into blockchain ETFs. look into those companies which are working towards the development of blockchain, not just crypto based. So that is one way for those people who don't want to do in cryptos, but they are still interested in blockchain. There are a lot of blockchain ETFs which are there, which exist, and you can easily invest into those, or just invest into companies which are using blockchain.
Okay.
It is one of the best ways, because that will definitely promote more transparency and reduce any kind of counterfeit or hazardous things. So that can be done. Plus, for cryptos, those investors who are interested in cryptos but want to pick the right ones, a lot of investors now are inclining towards those cryptos which makes a difference in the society.
Okay.
Now, something like a Bitcoin,
हाँ.
when mined is, it's not sustainable.
बराबर वही बहुत कार्बन फुटप्रिंट होता है उसके वजह से.
Exactly. Same is with Ethereum. I think that was one of the concepts with NFTs also.
And Elon Musk को यही प्रॉब्लम था.
Exactly. He has problem with a lot of things. This was one of them he tweeted about.
Yeah.
But even for NFTs, when we talk about, they always say that the major concern with NFTs is to even generate one GIF or mine one GIF, the amount of carbon footprint which is used.
It's a lot, yeah.
It's a lot. Like you can, it's like 76,000 credit card swipes during that, or you just travel from London to Rome. That much carbon. Yeah.
Oh, bye.
That's the point. Even mining Ethereum. So now the point is Cardano is more sustainable than Bitcoin.
Okay.
And if it is multi-purpose.
So attention वहाँ जाएगा.
Attention वहाँ जाता है. Like Cardano has been responsible for raising up the educational system in Ethiopia. It is working on the healthcare part. So it's a different technology. Again, as I said, these are just few examples, and you can always assess your risk and look into these kind of instruments. But the whole point of impact investing is that every sector, even cryptos, have some instruments which have certain positive impact on the society. It is still very volatile. Not regulated, so not really sure of what the future is going to be. So please be very careful. Assess your risk before you invest into any of those asset classes, and try ETFs, which is a better way to spread your risk.
यार ETF तो मैं ट्राई करूंगा ही वीकेंड पे. मिलेंगे अब संडे को.
इनफैक्ट संडे शायद योगेश नहीं आ पाएंगे, और इनसे
संडे आओ ना योगेश प्लीज.
I think now it's time for Vijay to come and give you a very different perspective about a lot of things.
Both of you are most welcome. इनफैक्ट मैं तो कहती हूँ कि एक दिन आप दोनों प्लान बना के आ जाएं,
और आप दोनों हमारी कुर्सी पे बैठ जाएं,
और उसके बाद फिर हम आपको वाकई पिज्जा पे आपने हमें धोखा दे दिया. आप नहीं आए, आपने कहा था आप आए रुकेंगे हमारे साथ, लेकिन आप चले गए.
सोबिया ने भी धोखा दिया है, वो भी नहीं आई थी.
मैंने उनकी देखा देखी, मैं उनको ढूंढने गई थी, मैं वापस आई तो पिज्जा ही खत्म हो गया.
No, one of those days you guys will have to sit here and let me and Vijay be at
That's
your place.
what I said. हमारी कुर्सी पे बैठ जाओ आप.
And it will be actually hot seat.
Yeah, we'll get a break, yeah.
Hot topic. Well, that's a wrap for Talk Breakfast. Of course, many thanks to Century Financials. आपके लिए Talk Markets लेकर आते हैं, और हमारे साथ दूसरा दिन है. योगेश जुड़े हैं. Wishing you a fantastic weekend, Yogesh. Whatever you do, one at a time, could be 35 books, or perhaps 35 friends around you. Books भी वैसे friends की तरह हैं. I hope you really enjoy. Have a safe and lovely, healthy weekend, and perhaps a holiday season if you're planning to come after that.